He wasn't expecting it. He may walk off the set. It's time now for SportsCenter's live vote. Yes, it is over there. Where you, the viewer, decide who wins our debate. Mark May and Lou Holtz joining us. A great way to start 2013, guys. So the question today, which team wins the BCS National Championship game, Notre Dame or Alabama? And Lou, you're going with Notre Dame. No surprise. I think it's safe to say we know where Mark is going.
Notre Dame.
You go Notre Dame? No, you got to go Alabama. Come on.
Mark's going down.
He's going down. Oh, he's falling it already. You're going down. So go to SportsCenter's Facebook page right now. Vote as often as you want on this debate. We're putting, guys, extra time here on this clock. 3:30 on this clock, so you can debate here. Now, we already have one guy weighing in. Packers running back and Notre Dame grad, Brian Grant saying, I'll vote right now. This is what he just tweeted out. I'm voting for Notre Dame. So he's going with Notre Dame. We already have Lou with one vote favoring him. Let's start with you, Lou. Why will the Irish win the title? Go.
Well, I think because of the better football team. When you look at this game, you look at it statistically, Alabama, Notre Dame, it's a very close game. However, Notre Dame has beaten Alabama 5 out of 6 times. In addition to that, twice out was over for the national championship. But let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. What people don't realize, 4 times there's been an overwhelming favorite. Now, right now, Alabama's a 10-point favorite. 4 times there's been a 7.5 favorite or more. 3 of those 4 times, the underdog won. Notre Dame's better football team than this that. On the goal line, Notre Dame's been unbelievable. Team's average, minus 28 yards inside their 10-yard line. Not positive. I mean, I could go on and on. Plus, Alabama has a difficult time matching up with Notre Dame. See, Theo Reddick was a wide receiver. He's now a running back. He can split out. Tyler Eifert, the tight end, also can be split out. And Alabama will not be able to match up with Mark. I could go on and on, but in fairness, I want to give you a chance to make a full.
Please talk about recent history, like this millennium when Notre Dame plays Alabama, because Alabama's done nothing but win championships. Where's Notre Dame been? Nick Saban, this could be his 4th national title, 3rd at Alabama, 2nd consecutive national title. He has a quarterback in A.J. McCarron throwing 26 touchdown passes, 3 interceptions, 24-2 as a starter. He has not only won an SEC championship, he's won a national championship. He's been in the major spotlight. Where's Notre Dame been? How about common opponents? Let me see. I think Alabama pummeled Michigan 41-14, and you guys at Notre Dame at home got 6 turnovers and won 13-6 against the same common opponent. Let's talk about other teams in schedule. How about Boston College? That's a big Wake Forest, Navy, Purdue. I've got Alabama playing in the SEC conference playing against champions.
You know, when you get that excited, I just picture you in that leprechaun outfit.
Enjoy it while you minute and a half, guys. Minute and a half.
One other thing, very, very important, Mark, that 3 times the defending champion has played in the championship game for a year. All 3 times they've lost. Very difficult. Plus, Notre Dame is a team of destiny. They can run the ball, and not only that.
Alabama can't
Who did
Alabama has 2
Alabama got beat. Notre Dame is undefeated. 12 of
2 1,000-yard rushers. They can run the ball.
Yeah, but here's the point. The one team that beat Alabama, they had a quarterback who was very mobile.
Oh, don't even go there. Don't even think that Golson's anywhere close to Manziel. Johnny Football is a different cat. That's why he's a first-rate freshman to ever win a Heisman. Don't even put Golson in that category.
Can I get a word in? Okay. What Golson does, he protects the football, he can scramble, he can do things with his feet, and Notre Dame is a very difficult team to match up. There's a reason Notre Dame is not lost. And Alabama, I have great respect for Nick Saban, great respect for Alabama.
If they played the same schedule as Alabama, they'd have 2 or 3 losses on their schedule.
That they do not. And the fact is that they are undefeated. They're going to have a chance to play one another.
Every team that they played this year that was supposed to be a good team.
You go look at the statistics. You go look at defense. You look at offense. You look at statistics. Anything you want. Notre Dame stacked up with
offense in America. The best offensive line in America. 2 running backs over 1,000 yards. A quarterback is 24-2 as a starter. And oh yeah, Amari Cooper, probably the best freshman wide receiver in the land. They're only getting better. They've been on a major stage.
5 seconds, Lou.
When did they play for a championship? Last time there, you were there.
The last time you were there, the motion was right before you put on the leprechaun outfit.
Do you have one? That should be interesting.
You really want to start my year off.